Succulents. We have over a dozen new varieties of succulents just arrived. Look at all of the different colors. We've got string of pearls, these beautiful lavender ones, so many types of succulents. Grow them indoors in a really sunny spot. They need a lot of light. Or make a beautiful dish and grow them outdoors during the summertime. Bring it back indoors in the fall before it freezes to enjoy them all winter long. You can come here, you can bring your own pot, or you can buy a pot here and plant your own succulent pot in our planting station. We're open every day from 10 until 7, and we can't wait to see you. We also have decorative rocks to complete and put the finishing touches on your succulent arrangement. Again, grow them in full sun, indoors or outdoors during the summer. Make a gift or make a treat just for yourself.